Hi everybody, David here from the hotglue team, and today we're going to show you how you can use hotglue and Supabase to build a native Salesforce integration. So imagine this was your product, and you wanted your user to be able to connect their Salesforce application. They'd open the widget, and they go ahead and they click a sales flow. Once they go ahead and click into the sales flow, they'll see a Salesforce integration. When they go ahead and click on the Salesforce integration, a login window will pop up. They'll go ahead and click login, and the data will begin to be connected. Now that they've connected their data, you can have this happen automatically, but we'll go ahead and run a manual job. So we'll click these three dots and we'll click Run Job. Now we have data syncing to Supabase, so let's head over there. In Supabase, you can see there's no tables available currently, but we'll refresh the page, and this will help us see that there are now tables being synced from the Salesforce account that was just connected. On the left, you can see that there are three new tables: Account, Contact, and Lead. Let's head into the Account table to see what data has been pulled. In Account, we can see that there are now two rows of data. As you can see, these are pulled from the Salesforce account we just connected. The same thing with Contact. There should be one row of data. And then in Lead, we also have an extra row of data. And that's how you connect Supabase and hotglue to make an awesome native Salesforce integration.